page. Okay, in question number 5 it says okay, question number 5 I am doing number 1 5 1. Prove that sin theta into cos 90 minus theta plus cos theta into sin 90 minus theta, sin 90 minus theta. Prove that that is equal to 1. So you have to prove that whole left hand side that you see here, all this left hand side that you see here, this is what is equal to 1. Now I am taking the left hand side, so what you see there on the left hand side, I am going to solve that one, left hand side. So here it is sin theta, let me write as it is. So sin theta, let me write it as it is, sin theta, I am not changing that, into, you know that cos 90 minus theta, this cos 90 minus theta according to the formula can be written as sin theta. So cos 90 minus theta also becomes sin theta. Then plus this cos theta, let me write as it is, cos theta. And again sin 90 minus theta according to the formula, complementary angle formula, I can write this as cos theta. So then we have now sin theta into sin theta plus cos theta into cos theta. This sin theta and sin theta into sin theta, I can write it as sin square theta, and this cos theta into cos theta, I can write it as cos square theta. And then just now I wrote the formula, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta value according to the formula is 1. So this is what you have on the right hand side. As you can see on the right hand side also you have 1, and that very 1 is what you got here on the left hand side also. So now since we started with left hand side and got what is there on the right hand side, so we can say that this is proved now. This is what is the question number 5 1. Okay, now let me do one more question from question number 5. Okay, let me take a new page. Okay, question number 5 4. Now it is 1 plus tan square theta into cos theta into, again you have cos 90 minus theta, this is cos 90 minus theta. You have to prove this is equal to tan theta. Okay, so I am going to take left hand side. What you see on the left hand side, this is what I am going to solve, and wherever I am seeing 90 minus theta, so that is what I am going to solve. Now this is something which you should all know, that this one is also a formula. Now you may say from where again this formula came, then I will tell you now where this formula you will come across. Okay, so I gave you one formula, that sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. So this was one of the formula which I have given, sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Now if this tan square is shifted to the right side, if you are shifting this minus tan square on the right hand side, then now you will have sec square theta is what is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Now look at this, this is what we are looking for. This 1 plus tan square theta is what you see there here. So 1 plus tan square theta, and 1 plus tan square theta can be written as sec square theta. So then as I am seeing here, by the way I am solving now left hand side, and this 1 plus tan square theta is what I am going to write it as sec square theta. So sec square theta into cos theta into, again this one cos 90 minus theta, and you know that cos 90 minus theta is what is sin theta. Now you know that sec is a reciprocal of cos. This sec value which is there is what I am going to write it as 1 by cos now. So this is 1 by cos square theta into, you have now cos theta into sin theta. So one of the cos theta is cancelled here, you have cos square, so one cos theta is cancelled here. So that means overall now what you have, so in the numerator you have 1 into sin theta is what is sin theta, and in the denominator you have 1 cos theta, and you all know that sin theta by cos theta is what is tan theta. So this is what you have on your right hand side. This is what is your question number 5 4. Yeah, here don't forget that I modified the same formula, the 3 formulas which I gave you, which I told you that we will be doing it in class 10. So that same modification, that modification formula is here, 1 plus tan square theta, that is what I took it as sec square theta. Okay, so there are 14 questions in question number 5. So let me do 2 more questions from question number 5. Now let me go to question number 6. In question number 5, 6, you are asked to prove that sine 90 minus theta into cos 90 minus theta. Prove that it is equal to tan theta over 1 plus tan square theta. Okay, now wherever applicable, I think I will solve both sides, left hand side and right hand side, or else I will not be able to get from the left hand side directly to right hand side. It will be a lot more easier if you solve both sides. So both side my answer must come same. Okay, so starting with the first formula, now here it is, sin 90 minus theta you know is cos theta, and cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. So let me modify this. So sin 90 minus theta is cos theta into this is sin theta. So that means on the left hand side now you have nothing to solve, now you have just cos theta into sin theta. So right hand side also I must get cos theta and sin theta. So what I will do then, to convert this tan theta 1 plus tan square theta into sin theta cos theta, so what I will do is, let me simplify this, and to simplify that, the only way to simplify it is, let me convert all this tan that you see, because on the left hand side I have sin and cos, sin into cos. So on the right hand side also, the formula that I am seeing in the denominator, look at that denominator formula. So a little while ago we discussed about this formula. This 1 plus tan square theta is what is sec square theta. So since it is sec square theta, so let me write this one as tan theta over this is what is sec square theta. Now left hand side I have cos theta into sin theta, that is what is cos theta sin theta. On the right hand side also, for convenience, I will convert everything in the form of sin and cos. You know, numerator tan theta I can write as sin theta by cos theta, and denominator is sec square theta, and sec square theta in terms of cos square theta. So this again I am just repeating, this sec square theta can be written as 1 by cos square theta. So I can write this below as 1 by cos square theta, but if I take that 1 by cos square theta up, then I can write that 1 by cos square theta as cos square theta by 1. So again I am repeating, denominator we have sec square theta, so denominator means here it will come here down, but then instead of writing it down I am taking it up and reciprocating it. So there into, instead of writing 1 by cos square theta, I wrote there as cos square theta by 1. So then there you go, one of the cos is cancelled with this cos, denominator cos, and that one. So then now you can see on the right hand side also you have sin theta and cos theta. So in the left hand side also you have cos theta into sin theta, and on the right hand side also you have sin theta cos theta. It really doesn't matter the order because they are multiplying. Cos theta into sin theta is same as sin theta into cos theta. So therefore now we can say left hand side is equal to right hand side. So this is what is the question number 6 of question number 5. Okay, since 14 questions are there, now let me do one more question from question number 5. So let me take a new page. Okay, so question number 14. So I am discussing now question number 14. Question number 14 says sin theta over sin 90 minus theta. So now wherever, like many places you will see that 90 minus theta and all are there. So that is what I can simply change it into the formula. So sin 90 minus theta. So the question is little lengthy, I may not be able to accommodate here. Okay, so let me write down sin theta over sin 90 minus theta plus cos theta over cos 90 minus theta. You have to prove equal to sec 90 minus theta into cosec. So that is cosec 90 minus theta. So you have to prove this. So left hand side equal right hand side. So again both side I will solve it together. I am not taking only left hand side or right hand side. Okay, so then here you are, sin theta over sin 90 minus theta is cos theta, then plus this is cos theta, and cos 90 minus theta is sin theta, and on the other side sec 90 minus theta is cosec theta into cosec 90 minus theta is sec theta. Okay, let me simplify now both side. Alright, now here since left hand side we have addition, So these two are addition. So as they are getting added up, so I'll take the LCM. LCM between cos theta sin theta, LCM is cos theta sin theta. Then as cos theta, denominator here, as this cos theta, as you can see, this cos theta is going to this cos theta sin theta as sin theta times. So cos theta will go here because cos theta is already here, so it will go sin theta. So this sin theta will multiply that sin theta, now that will multiply that sin theta. So sin theta into sin theta is what is here, sin square theta. So in the numerator I'll write this one as sin square theta, plus same way this sin square, this sin theta will go here cos theta time, cos theta into cos theta is what is cos square theta. So in the numerator I have sin square theta plus cos square theta. And on the right hand side also, let me change everything in the form of sin and cos. You know, cosec is the reciprocal of sin, so I'll write this as 1 by sin theta, and sec is the reciprocal of cos, I'll write this as cos theta. Alright, now again on the left hand side, if you see the left hand side, what you see in the numerator is a formula. Now see, if you see carefully, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 in the formula that you have learned. So that is what is equal to 1. So numerator sin square theta plus cos square theta, I'll write it as 1. And in the denominator you have cos theta into sin theta. And same way on the right hand side, if you multiply them, so 1 into 1 is what is 1, and sin theta into cos theta is what is sin theta into cos theta. So this is what you have, left hand side is what is equal to right hand side. So this is what is your question number 5, subdivision 14. Yeah, now moving ahead to the next question. Let's go to question number 6. Now in question number 6 there is a lot of number multiplication. Prove that, okay, let me take second question, question number 2. Prove that tan 5 degree into tan 10 degree into tan 15 degree, then into tan 75 degree, into tan 80 degree, then into tan 85 degree, and you have to prove that this values, all these values are equal to 1. Okay, so now definitely I am going to take left hand side. So left hand side, a lot of things are there to be solved. Okay, now you can see altogether 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them are there, tan 5. Now you are looking for complementary. Now if I am looking for this 5 degree, okay, here it is. If I am looking for this 5 degree, now I have to search for its complementary, so which will make it 90. So this 5 is complementary with that 85. So this 5 and 85, you have to change one of them. Either you change this 5 degree or you change 85. Don't forget they are complementary. Total is 90. Same way now I am searching another complementary. Yeah, if it is 10, the complementary to this 10 is 80. Here it is. This is complementary to this one, 80. So change one of them. Either change 10 or you change 80. And lastly, the same way, now you can also go for 15. This 15 and 75, this 15 and 75, they are also complementary. So that means the pair of numbers or angles that I have taken, you have to change one of them. So either you change 5 degree or 85, or you change 10 or 80 or 15 and 70. Out of this pair, you have to change one of them. So is your wish what you want to change? Okay, I'll go with first with changing of this 5. Let me change this 5 degree as 90 minus 85. Okay, so tan 5 degree can be written as tan 90 minus 85, because you know that 90 minus 85 is 5. Same way, let me change this second one also. So that is tan 10 degree. So instead of writing 10 degree, I'll write 90 minus 80, because 90 minus 80 is 10 degree. Now let me change that 15 also, and that 15 is tan 90 minus 75. Now since I have already changed the first 3, now I'll not change the next 3. So the next 3 will remain the same. So next remain the same is, let me copy it now. That is what is tan 75 into tan 80 into tan 85. And do not forget, I am not changing the last 3 because they are complementary with the angles which I have already changed. Okay, now applying the formula, tan 90 minus 85, tan changes to cot. So tan 90 minus 85 can be written as cot 85 into, similarly the second one, that tan 90 minus 80 can be written as cot 80 into, then the third one which is there, tan 90 minus 75 can be written as cot 75 into, now the other remaining three, so that is tan 75 into tan 80 into tan 85. Alright, you know that cot is the reciprocal of tan. Cot, all these cots are, you can see cot 85 and tan 85. So I think I can cancel them because cot can be written as 1 by tan. So that's why this cot 85 I'll write 1 by tan 85, because cot and tan, they are reciprocal to each other. Similarly, the second cot 80 also I'll write as 1 by tan 80, and this cot 75 also I'll write as 1 by tan 75, and the other three are already as tan 75, then tan 80 into tan 85. Now here we go then. Now let's do the cancellation with this glitter. Yeah, tan 85 and tan 85, numerator and denominator, so they are cancelled. Tan 80 cancel, tan 75 cancel, numerator and denominator cancellation. Since everything got cancelled, so there you are, 1. This is what the question is telling you to prove. So right hand side. So we started with left hand side and got what is there on the right hand side.